Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you where is the power button on LG G6. Let's begin. Now, if you were a user of LG phones in the past, you probably know this, but many new users actually don't. Whenever you pick up the phone for the first time, you will notice that you have your typical volume buttons on the left side and nothing on the right side. There is nothing, it's completely empty. Well, the power button is located at the back right here, which is perfect for your finger, and you can just click it just like that in order to enable or disable your lock screen. And it also just fundamentally works also as a fingerprint sensor, which is, to be honest, amazing. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.